Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Westinghouse brand dishwasher and you're trying to do a hard reset on it. This might be happening because it's acting funny. Maybe there's something weird going on in the display, some lights that are lit up, you can't figure out why. Maybe it's giving you an error code or something like that. So we're going to go through kind of a two different things you can do. The first thing to do is to just turn it on and then find the button lock and the program button, and you're going to hold them simultaneously for like maybe 5 seconds. And then you'll see it actually go into a reset cycle, and everything will be reset. Now if that doesn't get the job done, then you can kind of do an old-fashioned hard reset, which is to turn it off and then just disconnect it from power completely by either unplugging it from the wall or turning it off at the circuit and leaving it disconnected for at least a minute, and really the longer the better, to let all the circuits clear out and forget everything. Once that happens, you can restore power, turn it back on, and it'll go through a restart cycle. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.